Oil prices climb over 3% on a potential OPEC Plus output cut this week, and Mashadalfo Time is reportedly holding off on plans to divest its district cooling assets. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Oil prices jumped more than 3% in Asian trade today as OPEC Plus consider cutting output by 1 million barrels per day at their Wednesday meeting. It would be the biggest cut since the pandemic began. West Texas climbed 3.3% to $82, and Brent also gained 3.3% to just under $89 this morning. Oil fell by a quarter in the 3 months to September on demand fears caused by an expected recession in major economies. The Qatar Investment Authority will pump $2.38 billion into German power producer RWE AG. It's to help it acquire U.S. firm Con Edison's Clean Energy Businesses subsidiary for $6.8 billion. RWE will issue a mandatory convertible bond to a unit of QIA, through which it will become a 9.1% shareholder in RWE. The proceeds of the bond will be used to purchase Con Edison Clean Energy Businesses. RWE says it will likely make it the fourth largest renewables player in the U.S. market. Mashadalfo Time is reportedly putting on hold plans to divest its district cooling assets. Dubai's MAF hired HSBC in 2020 to advise it on the potential sale of chiller plants linked to its hotels and shopping centers, which could fetch an estimated $136 million. Selling the business was part of MAF's business strategy to divest what it considered a non-core asset and shore up liquidity. MAF's founder, Mashadalfo Time, had a family fortune of $3.6 billion, according to Forbes, when he died last year. Israel has praised a U.S. proposal to resolve its maritime border dispute with Lebanon, building further momentum towards an agreement. The draft agreement aims to settle competing claims over offshore gas fields and was delivered to Lebanese and Israeli officials at the weekend. Lebanese authorities have pledged to deliver a reply as quickly as possible following a flurry of recent announcements from Beirut that a deal with Israel is close. Israel says the U.S. proposal strengthens Israel's security and Israel's economy. New vehicle deliveries by Tesla increased in the third quarter, beating the previous 3 months during which its Chinese factory was shut for multiple weeks. Between July and September, Tesla delivered over 343,000 vehicles around the world. That's a 43% rise over the same period last year and 35% more than Q2 this year. While the Q3 results show a return to growth for Tesla deliveries, the total number was at the very bottom end of analyst estimates. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's humanoid robot prototype Optimus made a slow entrance onto the stage at Tesla's AI Day over the weekend. The billionaire predicted the EV maker would be able to produce millions of the robots and sell them for less than a third of the price of its Model Y SUV. Optimus is designed to be an extremely capable robot made in very high volume, probably millions of units. It's expected to cost less than $20,000. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.